Hey guys, welcome back. About a month ago, I was in Oshkosh, Wisconsin for AirVenture. And while I was out there, I visited the MyPilotPro booth and looked up some more of their products, and I snagged a couple new items I want to share with y'all. So, I picked up a couple of their spider mounts. I picked up one of each of them. One of them is the basic spider mount. There you can see it mounted on the windshield on the inside. There it is. 3 suction cups, a GoPro mount, hang your camera from. I also picked up the spider mount swivel right here. It's backlit, isn't it? Okay, it's a little bit difficult to see, but it's a spider mount as well. 3 suction cups, and it's got a ram mount swivel ball attached to it, so you can move that camera any direction you want to. I picked up those 2 while I was out there. I've had a chance to use them, and they are just phenomenal. The idea of having 3 small suction cups instead of 1 big suction cup is that it holds better. I've also got a Garmin dash cam that I hang from the windshield of my car, and from time to time I notice that it just falls for no reason. I don't know if it doesn't have a good seal, or if it's the sun shining on it, or what, but 1 suction cup loses suction and that camera falls. This has got 3 suction cups, and if one of those should let lose the seal, the other 2 will hold your camera firm and in place. So 2 more great products from MyPilotPro. I'm slowly switching my my mounts over to them. I believe MyPilotPro's got the best mounts on the market. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I've also got some exterior mounts. Here you go. This is the MyPilotPro mount that attaches to either the tail tie down or the wing tie down. So you take the big washer on the outside off, you pull it out, you stick the threaded rod through the tie down ring, you put the big washer and the rubber washer back on, tighten it up, and this cam lock right here is what really torques it down. 400 pounds of pressure holds that mount in place, which, you know, you're not going to lose a camera or a mount that way. Let's walk around here real quick. My hanger's a mess, sorry. But hey, anyway, here's an exterior view of the my spider mount swivel head on it. And you can see my audio cable hanging down there. That's the audio cable I use to get audio off my intercom and off the radio and onto my GoPro. Oh, here's my other MyPilotPro mount. Doesn't have a camera hanging from it currently, but built pretty much the same way as the one on the tail, except it's got the ram swivel head on it. So you can, once you get that mounted to your tie down, you can turn that camera any direction you want. Get any angle you want. So, but my main focus of this video was the spider mounts, the suction cups. These guys do great. Got 2 of them, 1 of each variety. I'm glad I picked these up. They're awesome. If you guys are interested in starting to record your flights, multiple camera angles make your videos much more exciting. Unlike this video that's all shot on 1 handheld camera right now. But if you're shooting flying videos, you want to get your camera started before you even start the engine. You mount all your cameras, turn them on, get in a plane, then you can go through your pre-flight, start it up and go. But it's kind of a set it and forget it type deal. Get multiple cameras running, multiple different angles, and then fly the plane. And when you get back home, you'll be able to look at the audio and video off of however many cameras you have mounted and you can edit something together that's a little more exciting for the viewer to look at. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I'll leave a link down below if anybody's interested in, you know, looking further into these mounts. I'll let you know where you can get them. So have a great day. Thanks a lot. Fly safe.